Hey everybody, Elliot Cribs with MarineMax down in Savannah, Georgia. This is a brand new Scout 305 LXF that we just got in, powered by twin V8 Verado 300 outboards by Mercury. As you'll see in the back of the boat, there are 3 pull-out drawers. Nice storage area. The live well is located under this bench. You have access to your bilge in the middle compartment, and then dual fish boxes. In the rear, there is a dive door right here. It gives you access to get in the water from the inside of the boat. Now, as we move behind the console, there is a sink, a nice cooking station, and some cup holders. Now, as we move towards the helm, you'll see that the switch panel is located in the hardtop. This boat is also equipped with the premium audio upgrade. It comes with the JL audio speakers. At the helm, you'll see this boat has the digital shift Mercury throttles with the push button start and stop, a twin 16-inch Garmin upgrade, the Mercury vessel view screen, and then your head unit for your JL audio speakers. There are 3 courtesy lights mounted inside the hardtop with 4 total speakers. Now, as we move to the head, this boat has a very spacious head. As you'll see right here, you have access to your controls and a nice lounging area. Now, as we move towards the bow, you'll see there's a nice seat in front of the console with armrest. Can comfortably sit 2 people. 2 seats at the bow, both with backrest. 4 total cup holders and 2 more JL audio speakers. There is a filler cushion that can be added to make the bow one big seat. As we get to the bow of the boat, you have access to your windlass anchor, and the controls are mounted on each side of the latch. This boat does also come with the Garmin open array radar and a light bar. So that about sums it up. If you have any more questions, call us at 912-525-0963.